Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm here with the man Philo mwenyewe, director of Philit Productions, ndio? Yeah. So karibu sana kwa Love of Theo.
Manze, shukran sana. Tuko huku hivi Nakuru.
Yes.
Beautiful place.
Nini mewaleta
Nakuru tumeka kushow movie yetu inaitwa Click Bang pale Lohana Hall kesho Saturday from 7 p.m. Charges ni 1,000 shillings. It's a beautiful film and tunatry kupushi culture ya watu kuona cinema. So we are starting this movement in Nakuru.
So hii movement Nakuru, kwa nini Nakuru sana sana?
Manze Nakuru kwa watu wengi hawajui, manze Nakuru ndio kama hub ya film in Kenya and East Africa. Kuna building king ya Nakuru inaitwa Odeon. Kuna na sign pale inaitwa Karim Books. Wase wengi wajuangi hiyo jina. But in the 1930s, the only people wange access movie halls in Kenya ilikuwa wazungu peke yake. Now Karim alikuwa descent ya Mhindi. He was the first guy kufungua hiyo cinema hall. Hiyo time ilikuwa inaitwa Odeon, nimesahau jina. And that was the first cinema hall in Kenya and East Africa where Asians and Africans wange watch movie. So culture ya Waafrika na Wahindi watch cinema in Kenya and East Africa ilianzia Nakuru. Nakuru is the hub. So Nakuru has always been a love of arts and film. Yeah.
So naona Philit Productions mnatutesa sana online yuko manini. So what's the future of Philit Productions?
Philit Productions, we're just changing number one, the film culture in this country and people to start appreciating film and going to movie cinemas to watch film. That's number one. Number two, we are our goal ni to make film ikue a proper business industry, like a proper economic industry. So we want to bring the money to film in Kenya so that banks and other people can start investing in film. So that's our goal and our culture as Philit.
What is maybe the new government is coming in?
Yeah.
What is your request to the new government, especially on the film industry?
The minute they investigate and they realize how lucrative film is. Cinema moja kama hii the Click Bang we are showing, we employed over 300 people just to make that film. And film employs people from very many sectors. Sisi tuko na carpenters, tuko na makeup artists, tuko na watu wa catering, wana serve food, kuna actors, hao watu wote. So government wakisema wanataka create employment ama job opportunities for the youth, the number one place they have to invest in is film. Film will create that employment. Kama cinema moja ina employ 300 people, imagine if we are shooting 1,000 films in this country per year. How many people are those? Yes.
So kwa hii Philit Productions, mko na ile dream pia, unajua you are based only in Nairobi.
Yes.
Is there a dream of opening some branches around in these towns kama Nakuru hivyo?
Absolutely. Goal yetu ni to tell stories as genuinely and as authentically as possible. So our goal ndio tumeanzia Nairobi juu tuko based huko. But goal yetu ni itafika point we'll be producing so many films that ukiwa Nakuru na story iko based Nakuru, we're able to shoot from Nakuru with a team trained from Nakuru. They shoot the film and we're able to sell it on our platform so that ndio isikuwa stories tunaambia watu hapa nje ni stories za Nairobi. Nakuru iko na stories mob sana, Eldoret iko na stories mob, Kisii iko na stories mob sana. So tunataka kuenda kwa kila town and we do authentic stories from those towns.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kwa Click Bang or maybe plan yenu tena ingine ama movie gani ingine tena tutaona kwa Philit Productions? Kesho tuende tu
movies ni nyingi, so for now ni Click Bang.
The next immediate
one. Awacha hata hiyo itakuwa moto, hata sitaki kupeana hint because right now tunauza Click Bang. But be prepared. By January we should be shooting our next film which will drop in July of next year. sitawaambia ni juu ya nini, but inakuja. Safi.
Asante sana bro. Naambia wasee wa subscribe hapo.
Manze subscribe to the love of Theo. Subscribe to the love of Theo, channel fiti sana. Jamaa amekaa na like vile amejituma. Ametupata kwa streets Nakuru na manze ulikuwa unatembea tu na equipment kila mahali na make it happen. So go for it man.
Okay, thank you sir. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Wewe ni Philip mwenyewe wa Philit Productions. Thank you so much and make sure you subscribe to the new channel. Thank you.